Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make my delicious deer soup. These are the ingredients that you will need. I have garlic and ginger, spicy peppers. I use about 20 peppers here, lime leaves, lemongrass, cilantro and onion, bitter tomato, ground deer meat. This is beef intestine and beef tripe underneath. You can see it right there. And natural sea salt. Then green curry paste. If you use the big one, it doesn't taste as good, so make sure you use the small one. I'm going to use about 2 today. And I have my egg mint and cilantro. Let's get started on this delicious dish. Okay, so I put a little bit of olive oil in there. I'm gonna fry my garlic. Cook a little bit. Then you want to go ahead and put your meat. Put your meat. Add your lemongrass. Put your salt. And we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit. Now I'm gonna add my ginger. Add my lime leaves. And I'm going to add the green curry paste. Then stir everything together. Just gonna cook it until it is almost done. Okay, at this point I'm going to add the peppers. It's gonna be spicy, but delicious. Just let that cook. So this looks about ready. I am going to add it onto my soup. So in the soup, I just put lemongrass, lime leaves, and salt, and just let it boil until the meat is really soft, like this. When my ground deer meat is cooked, I'm gonna add onto this soup all the ground deer meat to my soup. Stir everything together. smells really good and spicy. And I'm going to add my small intestines and tripes. And some bitter tomatoes. Just let it cook until everything is fully cooked. Okay, I'm gonna add the rest of the green curry sauce. So total of 2 cans. Okay, so now it is ready. I am going to garnish with my eggplant, cilantro, and onion. And just mix everything together. It's so delicious. If you have not tried their soup like this before, go ahead and give it a try. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. God bless.